Casino-style reward apps don't pay you from gambling results alone. They're funded through ads, promotional budgets, and user engagement deals where companies pay for activity, then convert that into redeemable points once you meet the app's requirements. By the end of this, you'll know 5 casino-style apps people use for real cash rewards, how each one structures earnings, and what actually decides whether payouts feel fast or slow in real use. Start with how these apps actually work. Most casino-style apps simulate slots, blackjack or roulette, but they are not traditional gambling platforms. You spin, play rounds, or complete daily challenges, and earn points based on activity. Once you hit the withdrawal threshold, those points convert into cash or gift cards. The money comes from advertisers and promotions, not from player losses. First category is slot-style reward apps. These apps focus on virtual slot machines where you earn coins through spins and bonuses. Progress depends on playtime and daily login rewards, but earnings slow down once free bonuses are used up. Second category is table game reward apps. These apps simulate blackjack or roulette and reward you for participation in matches or completing in-game objectives. They feel more interactive, but rewards depend on how often you can enter games. Third category is hybrid casino reward apps. These apps combine slots, table games, and other mini-games in one platform. You get more earning options, but payout timing depends on which activity you complete and how it is tracked. Now, here's what actually matters when choosing one. Bonus availability is the biggest factor. If daily rewards or free spins are limited, your earning pace drops immediately. Tracking reliability is the second factor. If your game activity isn't recorded correctly, rewards may not be credited even after completion. And withdrawal structure matters more than most people realize. Some apps require high point thresholds or specific payout methods before you can cash out. So instead of chasing one best casino-style cash app, the smarter approach is using multiple apps and focusing on the ones that consistently give active bonuses in your region. Summary: casino-style reward apps pay through ads and promotions, not gambling wins. Speed depends on bonus availability, tracking accuracy, and withdrawal limits. No single app guarantees fast or consistent payouts for everyone. Next step: install one casino-style reward app and complete a few spins or rounds to see how quickly your progress gets tracked and becomes redeemable. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.